Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to Sail Investor Booby. Today, as I promised you on the last video, I will try to install the wind generator, the Silent Wind Pro. So we will see. First of all, I need to open this one, and one of the first things I will remove the solar charger controller over there, and I will remove and I will replace with the charger controller from Silent Wind. That is an hybrid one, able to control the charge coming from the solar and from the wind generator. And then I will be forced to pass a new cable through from this point to the back of the boat until the generator pole that is over there. I'll show you the last video of the Silent Wind Pro, and I will try to install this one over there. So initially over there was a huge satellite antenna for TV. And I replaced that antenna and we built this support in inox, and I will put the generator over there, and then the cable will pass through inside this pole down back, and they will follow all the boat to the charge controller. Charge controller that I use until now for the solar panel. That one will be replaced by the new one from Silent Wind. Cable, not the old, but the cable that comes from the solar panel, and I will use this one as a guide for the 3 new cable coming from the wind generator. All the old charge controller, the one that I used for the solar panel, and this is the new one from Silent Wind, as I showed you before. controller from Silentwind. So guys, finally at the end the wind generator is installed. It was quite difficult. That was much more difficult than I thought. Anyway, I'm quite satisfied. I was able to reutilize the previous pole that was used by the satellite antennas for the TV. I remove it because I did not use, and I made that support. The total height is about 2 meter and 80 centimeter, and on top there is the wind generator, the Silentwind Pro. As I said, the installation was not so easy, but at the end I succeeded. The cable passed through the pole down to the stern of the boat and inside the boat to the chart table, to the navigation table, and then I show you where. Every time we do this kind of job, the boat becomes a mess. Look at that. So after the installation job, we have to work in order to put all the tools and other stuff at their place. Okay, this is the new charge controller from Silentwind. Those are the connection with the battery, wind generator and solar panel. As you can see now, the wind generator is producing 1.21 amps, and this is the antenna for the connection with the smartphone, so we can use the Silentwind app to control the performance of the wind generator. Yes, this is the app. And now I'll try the manual brake. Let's see what happens. Okay, as you can see, the wind generator stopped to rotate. If I remove the manual brake, let's see what happens. Yeah, it starts again to rotate and produce power. So guys, for today is all. See you the next video. Bye bye.